back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing these $23 AirPod Pros from DHGate. These claim to have a 10-meter distance, and they claim to be exactly like the real ones. Opening up from the back, it does not have the original peeling process like the real ones do. These AirPods also claim to have Bluetooth 5.0 version. The headphones claim to be a 14mm speaker. They claim to be comfortable in the ear and they don't fall out. Removing the plastic, we can see Apple logos and some serial numbers. After looking up the serial number on the Apple website, it actually claims to check out as real Apple AirPods. Looking at the sides, we got all the Apple logos. Opening up the box, we see the designed in Apple text. Removing the text, we have a little packet with stuff inside. We got that Apple AirPods Pro manual that actually seem to be like the real ones. Here we got more instructions, and we got regulatory things. These do not include Apple stickers. Next, we got the AirPods. Pulling them out, it comes with the original sticker covering it. From the back, we can slowly peel it off. Pulling them out, the case actually feels decent for $20. Opening them up, and we see the green LED. First, let's check out the rest of the stuff in the box. Removing the back panel, we see an Apple charger. Further inspecting this charger, we see that it's a Lightning to USB-C cable. Also included in the box is a few extra ear tips for different sizes. They seem to fall out right away, which is probably something that wouldn't happen with the real ones. Now that we have the box empty, let's clear the table and actually check out these AirPods. These AirPods claim to have in-ear detection like the real ones, and they claim to have many functions such as adaptive EQ. Opening them up again, we see the LED again. Pulling one out, we see that it's pretty realistic. All the details are shown, even the serial numbers on the case. Now let's try pairing it. We got a phone, and we got the AirPods. Opening it up, it shows that it's not our AirPods. Clicking connect shows us how to connect these to our phone. Holding the hold button, and it starts connecting. This setup is exactly like the real AirPods. Now it shows us how to use these. It gives us all the instructions, and then it shows us our AirPod Pros with the charge. Clicking done, and now they are working. Now let's test some features and see what they got. Going to the menu, we can see the AirPod Pros. Here we can turn on noise cancellation and turn it off with transparency mode. Spatial audio does not work with these since it's not playing audio at the moment. Here we can control the volume up and down. Let's further inspect these in our settings. Going to settings, we can see that it's now connected. Here we can see the same options, and we can customize the controls for pressing and holding. All the same options exist, such as the ear tip test. This is used to see if these AirPods fit in your ear well, or if you need to change the size of the tips. Here, there's also spatial audio that you can set up. Automatic ear detection is an option that exists here. and it also has optimized battery charging. Here in the bottom, we can see the model number and the working serial number. Looking at these again, these look exactly like the real ones. For $23, these are an amazing deal. Now let's test the sound quality. First, let's begin to see how loud these are. Playing a random non-copyright video, and let's turn up the volume to the max. Immediately, we can start hearing the sound. Now, let's test some other features that were claimed to be in this fake AirPod. First, let's test the touch controls. Clicking once unpauses the video. Clicking again pauses the video. On the other side, it does the same functions. Now, let's try changing these settings and see what we can do with these. Going into settings, and then let's go on the left. Here we can change what button clicks and does what. So currently, pressing and holding the left earbud should now activate Siri. So now let's test that. After a few tries, nothing happens. Testing the right earbud. Also, nothing happens. Let's go back into settings. Here that we can see that there's noise cancellation. And then let's test the spatial audio. Going to the menu, clicking on the earbuds, we can see that we can now enable spatial audio. Here we have 3 settings: off, fixed, and head fixed. By turning on head fixed, it's supposed to track where your head is and go around with your motion. Here, turning on noise cancellation seems to work, but it automatically switches back to transparency after a few seconds. Therefore, I don't think that noise cancellation actually works on these. Overall, for $23, I think this is a steal. There's some AirPods that will get you through anything. Instead of spending $300, you can spend $20. These also include all the text, and they look identical to the real ones. After, you can just put them back in the case, and then you can close the case, and you can charge it with any Apple charger that you already own, or you can just charge it with the cable it came with. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy one of these yourself, there will be a link in the description so you can purchase one. Thanks for watching.